Classic roast beef. Ingredients. 1. 3 to 4 pounds, boneless beef ribeye or sirloin roast. 2. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3. 2 teaspoons kosher salt. 4. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 5. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 6. 2 teaspoons dried thyme. 7. 2 teaspoons dried rosemary. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Pat the roast dry with paper towels and rub with olive oil. 3. In a small bowl, mix together salt, pepper, garlic, thyme, and rosemary. 3. Rub the spice mixture all over the roast. 4. Place the roast in a roasting pan and roast in the oven for 1.5–2 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 135 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. 5. Slow cooked pot roast. Ingredients. 1. 3 pounds beef chuck roast. 2. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3. 1 onion, chopped. 4. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 5. 2 cups beef broth. 6. 1 cup red wine. 7. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 8. 2 teaspoons dried thyme. 9. 2 teaspoons dried rosemary. 10. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Heat the oil. 2. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until softened, about 3 to 5 minutes. 3. Season the chuck roast with salt and pepper and add it to the Dutch oven. 4. In a small bowl, mix together beef broth, red wine, tomato paste, thyme, and rosemary. 4. Pour the mixture over the roast. 5. Remove the roast from the Dutch oven and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing and serving. 6. Garlic and herb roast beef. Ingredients. 1. 3 to 4 pounds boneless beef ribeye or sirloin roast. 2. 6 cloves garlic, minced. 3. 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped. 4. 2 tablespoons fresh thyme, chopped. 5. 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, chopped. 6. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 7. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a small bowl, mix together garlic, parsley, thyme, rosemary, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 3. Pat the roast dry with paper towels and rub the garlic and herb mixture all over the roast. 4. Place the roast in a roasting pan and roast in the oven for 1.5–2 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 135 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. 5. Remove the roast from the oven and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing and serving. 6. Tips for cooking roast beef in the oven. Use a meat thermometer. The best way to ensure that your roast beef is cooked to perfection is to use a meat thermometer. Health benefits of eating roast beef. Proven nutritional facts. Roast beef is a nutritious and delicious source of protein that provides a range of health benefits. Here are some of the proven nutritional facts and benefits of eating roast beef. 1. High in protein. Roast beef is a rich source of protein, with a 3-ounce serving providing approximately 22 grams of protein. 2. Rich in iron. Beef is an excellent source of heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by the body than non-heme iron found in plant-based foods. 2. A 3-ounce serving of roast beef provides approximately 15% of the daily recommended intake of iron. 3. Contains B vitamins. Roast beef is a good source of B vitamins, including vitamin B12, which is essential for maintaining healthy nerve function and producing red blood cells. 3. A 3-ounce serving of roast beef provides approximately 60% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin B12. 4. Low in calories. While roast beef is high in protein, it is relatively low in calories compared to other sources of protein. 4. A 3-ounce serving of roast beef contains approximately 170 to 200 calories, depending on the cut of beef. 5. Contains healthy fats. Roast beef contains healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. However, it is important to choose lean cuts of beef and trim any visible fat before cooking. 6. May improve muscle mass. Eating roast beef, particularly after exercise, may help improve muscle mass. 6. The high-quality protein and amino acids in beef can support muscle repair and growth. It is important to note that while roast beef can provide many health benefits, it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Choosing lean cuts of beef, trimming visible fat, and pairing roast beef with plenty of vegetables can help create a nutritious and balanced meal.